All right, it's the day after Thanksgiving, Uncle Burpee Yoga. I'm gonna make good food out of this. I got ham and I got the leftover turkey. We didn't eat the whole turkey, we just got the turkey breast. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple of really fantastic sandwiches. Here we go, very simple. First thing we're gonna do is just heat both of these up in the microwave and then we'll start making the sandwiches. Oh man. Pretty simple. I'm gonna put the buns in here, right? And this is basically ham that I just microwaved, and then this is the turkey and the stuffing that I pulled out of the bones. So I'm gonna put a piece of cheese underneath first. So if you have Swiss or whatever, that's great. If not, that's great too. Right? So I'm gonna make it diagonal. That would be easier. Then I'm gonna put the ham on top. So you know you can use sliced hams too. And then for the ham and cheese, I mean it's very simple. I actually learned how to do this when I was working, going to school in Hawaii. I worked for Goose Pizza, and they used to make this great ham and cheese sandwich. And you know, it was a pizza joint, but they did a lot of sandwiches. And this is one of my favorites. And that's pretty much done for the ham and cheese, right? And then for the turkey, I would put in the turkey. And then the stuffing on top. Now if you have a submarine sandwich buns or hoagies, that'll make it much better, but we don't eat a lot of bread to begin with, so there it is. And then that's it. And now we broil it. We just put it into the oven and broil, and then in the meantime, we'll prep some other stuff. And that's pretty much two very good sandwich for leftovers. It's not even 2 minutes. We like it toasted. And then so now, just to add the condiments, it's basically just mayonnaise, right? Mayonnaise. And then for the ham and cheese, we've got mustard. Yep. And then we just spread it. And then we just spread it. And then we'll try the ham sandwich first, and then I'll finish making the turkey. Okay. So here we go. So I got some edamame. Here's the ham and the cover. And now I'm gonna go cut them in half. Look at that. So let's go try it. That is so good. Just one sandwich. Let's try and make that one. So good. Super easy to make. Tastes so good. Mmm. Mmm. While I'm eating that one, I'm prepping my last sandwich. It is too good. It'll be done in a little bit. I'm gonna keep this sandwich here for a bit because I'm gonna play it for the second one. By the way, this is our breakfast. The very last little piece. And now for this one, one thing we forgot, cranberry sauce. Look at this. There it is. Overeat. I'm gonna have to level this thing. Oh my God. And a piece of bun. Look at this sandwich. Oh God. Oh man. This one, if once I cut, the egg is gonna come out, so good luck to me. Oh God, look at that. Now I'm gonna take this sandwich and eat it. Oh, look at that. Mmm. And look at that. Leftover sandwiches. Look at that. That is, oh man. Mmm. The sweetness of the cranberry with the stuffing and the turkey. Oh, it's so good. There it goes. That is gorgeous. Absolutely. Let's even like a nice picture. Yeah. It's your Uncle Burpee Yoga, man. Leftovers can be fun. Bless up.